just tell me one thing. Will it be awesome? And he said, it will be awesome. And
it's spectacular.
It's awesome. We didn't want to lose the summer. But he put up a circus tent and they worked all winter under the tent. We were like, just go do it. And he would just go do it, and they didn't make any bad decisions.
You know, I really want to see a homeowner happy, and this was something that they really looked forward to, having everything done on time. And to press into that, to get it done, I think, you know, for all of us as a team, you want to get it done on time and see things through.
We've had clients that will want things, desire things that's not the norm. So it's how do we recognize that and how do we deliver on what it is they're looking for.
Very quickly, we kind of realized that they were the only ones that were going to be able to manage as complex a project as this was going to turn out to be. You know, it's not a new build. It was tight space. It's an old building. So it had all those inherent problems.
JP Compass has assembled an incredible group of craftsmen at all disciplines. The carpenters are really gifted, they're artists. You can have a vision of what it looks like, but if you can't execute on that, you don't get what we think we have.
Doing something you've never done before, to me there's nothing more exciting than that. You know, you have come up with an inspiration, you come up with a design, you either personally have never done it or you've never done it as a company, and you figure out, you know, how are we going to deliver this? To me that's exciting and rewarding at the end.